Today we're going to try to get our back seat up in our 2013 Ford Fusion. Apparently this seat belt here must be a common problem. This one right here sticks as if it's deployed and trying to keep you in the seat. So we can't lift our seat up. Okay? What we're going to have to do is actually remove the seat belt down here. Okay, so this is the seat belt that's stuck on. So we're going to try to get our wrench in there. It's going to be tight, and undo this bolt right here, and then that'll take this whole mechanism off, and we'll be able to get our seat back up, and then we can reset it. To take out your back seat, there's a little lever over here. See it right here? You just push the lever, and that pops it right up. See the lever. And there's another one on this side. Over here, look on this bottom, you can see the hooks right here. These hooks hook into a loop over there. All right, the bit we're going to use to unscrew it is a Torx bit, and it's a T-47. This is actually one unit. You can get it at AutoZone or any of the auto parts, Advance, O'Reilly. Put it in there, and then that's what we'll use to get our nut out of our seatbelt. Gonna get it in here and see if we can get enough leverage. There we go. You can see our seatbelt coming loose. Now, we should be able to lift our seatbelt up. Yep, here we go. Pop it in place, and you can see now our seatbelt. Now it seems to be working just fine. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it back in there, but I'm going to get a little slack here so I can not worry about it. There we go. All right, it's back in. Our seatbelt now works, and we can reassemble our back seat. All right, and that's how you get your seat back up on your 2013 Ford Fusion. It's your seatbelt in the middle here that is not moving. And hope this video helps you. If it does, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.